Hello, I'm Zoe, the CEO of Shanghai Tuoxiao Tech Company. Our company is 3 years old, and we have made an intelligent stethoscope. You may not be familiar with stethoscope because usually it's used by the doctor, but we made a stethoscope that everyone can use it. It is a digital stethoscope. It can transfer the heart and the lung sound audio to the mobile phone, and we have AI algorithm in the cloud server. The AI will give a health report for the heart and lung. But today I will introduce more about our new product. It is a pants for pregnant women. You will be worried about why tech company make pants, but we define they are the next generation for the wearable device. Every pregnant woman needs a new pants because they have a baby in their belly. But the biggest difference, we have two flexible sensors on the pants. It can monitor the fetal heart, fetal kicks, and also the mother's heartbeat and the breath. This is not the final product, it's a prototype. You can see the different signals from the mobile phone, and the pants can be washed and recharged. It's very convenient for the pregnant woman. That's all. Thank you.